Good morning children. Today before we go to the lesson, let me explain in exercise 5.2 in question number 4 that there are 3 questions that I will explain now. The first one is find the question when dividend is 8816 and divisor equal to 58. So this is nothing difficult, this ordinary only. To find the question you have to divide the dividend by divisor. So you will know how to divide. So this I am not going to do the calculation, so you do by yourself. In this one I will teach you now. Find the dividend when quotient equal to 89, divisor equal to 36 and remainder equal to 5. So here you have to use the formula dividend equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Okay, we will use this formula. We have to find the dividend, so we will use this formula. So this formula you have to write and you follow this one. So dividend equal to quotient. Quotient is what? 89. So 89 into divisor. Divisor is 36 plus remainder. Remainder is 5. So first we have to multiply 89 and 36. So let's multiply 89 and 36. 9 6 are 54. So 5 is a remainder. 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 5, 53. Now 3 9s are 27. So 2 remainder. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 2, 26. So now we will add 3 plus 7, 10. 1 now 6 6 12 3. So 3204 plus the remainder is 5. So with this now you are plusing 5. So if you plus 5, 4 plus 5 9, in case 0 2 3. So the dividend is 3209. So this is the dividend. So this is the way you have to do this sum. Okay, now let me do the second sum, third sum. Now this is the C1. Find the divisor when dividend equal to 7704 and quotient equal to 32. So here already I explained the formula how to get. So first let us write the formula just we wrote for the previous sum. From there I taught you how to find the formula for this dividend equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. So now here dividend, to find the dividend, this is the formula. Now we have to find the divisor. So to find the divisor I told you it is the opposite. Okay, so it is the opposite. So what will come here means here divisor is here, so here dividend will come and here into quotient. So here it will be divide quotient, and here it is plus remainder, but here it will be minus remainder. So in divisor place here dividend is coming since we are going to find the divisor, and it is multiply quotient, but here we have to divide quotient, and here plus remainder, here it will be minus remainder. So now let's do the sum. This is the formula. Now let's do the sum. So to find the divisor, dividend divide by quotient. So dividend is 7704 divide the quotient. Quotient is 32 and minus remainder, but here remainder is not given, so you can leave it. So now you have to divide 7704 by 32. So let's 32 table, let's do now shortcut. I will write it here on this one. So already I taught you how to do the short form 32. So you write the 2 table and 3 table, then you join it so that you will get the 32 table. So here we will write the 32 table. So here 2 table I am writing. So I have finished the 2 table and 3 table. Now 32 table will be this, just you have to join it. So this is 1, 64 will be 2, here 9 and 6, this is 3. These are single digit, so we wrote as it is, but here this side single digit is no problem, but this side single digit no problem. This side if it is single double digit, then you will add it here. So this 8 you write as it is, and this 12 you write it here. So this is 4, and for 5 here only this digit you have to write, but this you cannot write, that you will add here with this. So this 15 plus 1, 16. So this is 5, and this digit you write here, and this 1 you add here. So 18 plus 1, 19. This is 6 times. This 4 you write here, this 1 you add here. So 21 plus 2, 1, 22. This is 7. So now you write here 6. This 1 you add here. So 24 plus 1, 25. This is 8 times. This 8 you write here. This 1 you add here. 27 plus 1, 28. This is 9 times. Only 9 times is enough. No need to write the 10 times. So now let's divide now. So here may not be the space, so I am dividing here. I am dividing here, but you divide it here. 7,704. So this we have to divide by 32. So first 7 is smaller, there is no 7 here, so we will take 77. So smaller than 77, 64 is there, so 64 we will write here. 64 is 2 times, so we write here on the top 2. Then now you have to minus 7 minus 4, 3, 7 minus 6, 1. Now you take the next digit down, so this is 0. So now 130. 130 is not here, but smaller than 138. 128 is there, so we will write 128. 128 is 4 times, so we write here 4. Now we have to minus. Here cannot minus, so we will borrow. So 10 minus 8, 2. Here 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So you leave it. Now next, take the next number, 4. Now 24. So 24 is not here, smaller than 24. 24 is not here, so this will be the remainder. Okay, this will be the remainder. So the this remainder, we are getting the remainder. So here remainder was not given, but we have got the remainder here. So this remainder we have to add it here. Okay, so the divisor will be 24. Okay, sorry, I forgot here. This 4 we cannot divide now, so we are not able to divide, so you have to add here 0. So this 24 is the remainder. So this we have to minus. So already this is from here we are minusing only. Okay, so this after minusing only we are getting this 24. So you can leave this remainder, only have to take this one. So this is the divisor. So the answer is 240. So this is the answer. Okay, you are leaving it because already we have minused here and we have got this 24. Okay, so 240 is the answer. This 0 is, since we are after taking 4 we are getting 24, but this 24 is not there in 32. Okay, so that we cannot divide, so we are adding here 0. So 240 is the answer.